Welcome to SAP Knowledge in a Nutshell. In this video, we are going to explore the user buffer in SAP systems. We will explain the concept and purpose of the user buffer, how it works, and how to control it effectively. This topic is also important for scenarios where reference user assignments are involved, such as our exciting use cases for productive test simulation, protected go-life, or extended access management. So let's get started and launch transaction code SU56 for accessing the SAP user buffer. The user buffer is a cache and represents a snapshot of the authorizations that are currently active for a user based on their role and profile assignments. It is generated when the user logs into the system and stored in memory for the duration of the session. With transaction SU56, we can analyze this buffer and see exactly which authorizations are currently valid. In transaction SU56, the current user buffer is displayed as a structured tree. This hierarchy gives you a full breakdown of the authorizations currently active for your session. At the top, authorizations are grouped by authorization class, which reflects their functional area. Under each class, you will find the individual authorization objects, such as ST code. Each instance of an object is related to a generated profile. From there, you can trace them back to the role that provides the access. At the lowest level, you'll see the authorization fields and their specific values. This level of detail makes transaction SU56 a powerful tool for a quick analysis for troubleshooting and understanding what's currently valid in your session. In case of possible inconsistencies due to authorization changes, you can also reset the user buffer while users are already logged into the system. With this function, your authorizations are immediately reloaded into the buffer without the need to log out. There are three main options available for performing a reset of the SAP user buffer in transaction SU56. First, reset user buffer. This resets the authorizations for the current user being displayed in transaction SU56. Second, reset user buffer, client. This option resets the user buffer data for the users who already have information in the buffer tables. And third, user buffer completely new, client. This option performs a full reinitialization of the user buffer tables. By the way, usually there is no need to manage or refresh the user buffer in SAP systems manually if the relevant profile parameter auth_new_buffering is set to value 4. Please always keep in mind that reference user assignments are a special exception and require a new login to the system to fully refresh the user buffer. This also applies vice versa, which means a logout is required to effectively remove authorizations from reference user assignments. For our exciting use cases, protected go-life and extended access management, we have automated the login and logout process to provide a seamless user experience while ensuring security and compliance. If you have the required authorizations, you can also check the user buffer of other users. This is particularly useful for user administrators performing a root cause analysis or troubleshooting scenarios after authorization changes to verify the assigned permissions. Thank you for watching. Would you like to find out more? Check out our video channel on our homepage or feel free to contact us. We will get back to you as soon as possible.